Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we'll see that how we can manage the sound devices in our computer. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go to settings, right? So how we can go that here you can see that here we have this sound icon. So just right click on it, and here from here you can open the open sound settings. So click on this one, open sound setting, and here you will see this sound section, right? Now here in sound section you will see one option, manage sound devices. So through here we can basically manage the sound devices, right? So just click on this one, and here you will see that here if we have, it is showing output devices and input devices. Output devices means from where this computer or this laptop will basically show you the sound or basically display the sound. So basically I am connected with my one Sennheiser USB headset, and one, this is internal high definition audio. Because if your laptop, so for laptop basically there is a inbuilt audio which is through which basically we listen the music, right? So this is the one audio, this is one speaker, and there is another speaker. This is basically a USB connected speaker. So it is saying that for you you have two output devices, right? Now as per your choice you can test it, and or you can disable it. So if you disable it, then it will be disabled, and then the music will not be listened from this one, right? Similarly for this one as well, you can do disable as well. Similarly for the input devices means from where I can basically submit the audio. Like right now I'm recording the voice. So how I'm recording with my Sennheiser USB headset. So here I have the option Sennheiser USB headset. So basically we call them as a microphone, because using the microphone I'm basically submitting the device. I'm basically submitting my voice. So let's say if I remove this one, if I just disable this one, so what would happen? Then I can also basically record my voice using the this as well, this Realtek high definition audio as well, because this hardware which is in our laptop, this act as a speaker as well, and it has that microphone as well, so that we can basically record our voice, right? So if you want, then you can basically disable it as well, or you can enable it, right? So once we disable, then we have the option of enable as well. So let's say if I disable it, so once you disable it options, so from here it is showing you disabled option. So from here we can enable this again, so like we can enable it, right? Again, like if you see, so these are the output devices, input devices, and here we have one another option which is stereo mix. So if you want, because right now it is showing in the disabled list, if you want, then you can also enable it as well, right? So these are the options of managing the sound devices. Now apart than this, we have another option is, so here if you see that here we have output and here we have input, because we have understood that output means to basically produce the sound. Because whenever, let's say if we are basically listening any music, so how we are listening, basically this computer is showing the output, right? So it is showing that for output we have two options. One option is this Sennheiser USB headset, and one option is internal audio. So right now I'm connected with this USB, so basically it is showing me this one, that it is basically, let's say if I run any music, so this case it will basically show using in Sennheiser USB headset. But let's say if I click this one, so if I click this one, then whatever music I will, even if my USB is connected, even if my headset is connected, then let's say if I select this one, so even if my headset is connected, then it will basically output using the audio of the this audio of the laptop, right? So this is the case, so that we can select it, that from where our output sound should be there, right? Now from here we know that we can basically change the volume, so this is the case. Now here we have the input. So again, because I'm recording the sound using this Sennheiser my USB headset, so that is why my mic, all the voice are coming from here, right? And as well, if you see that test your microphone, so like whenever I'm speaking, so this you can see that this is basically showing that my voices are basically doing this, right? Let's say if I'm silent for a minute, now you can see that when I was silent, so it didn't show a single up and down, right? Because now I'm speaking, so it is showing this one. So again, your input device you can basically select as per your choice, right? So these are the input and these are the output devices. Again, we have the device properties here. So from here we can basically, you can know that what is the device properties. Now if you see that here basically we can change what should be the left and right. So currently it is balanced, ideally it should be balanced, right? So my advice is that don't change this one, this should be as it is, right? So we have seen this one output, we have seen device properties, we have seen master volume, we have seen this one as well, manage sound devices. Let's say if you want to manage, so we have seen that how we can disable or enable this, right? And then from here also we have seen input, and again, like right now this will basically this device properties. So basically this is showing the properties of this particular device microphone. Let's say if I click on this one, so it is showing that this is the microphone and this is the current volume it is. And let's say if I want to disable it, so I can just disable it as well, right? So these are the different options we have here, and this is manage sound devices. So this is again the same case, manage sound devices, right? So basically it was showing the sound devices here for the output, and it's same here as well, it is showing the sound devices. Now here we have some advanced sound options as well. So from here basically we can basically change, or we can basically update, or what should be the volume from this particular app. So like right now I am recording with this Camtasia, so basically I'm saying that it should be the 100% volume, right? And the output and input should be the default option, right? So this is the one of the default means like from where it should be the what should be the default volume or default case. So from here we can change that. Now if you see that here we have selected that this should be the output, this should be the input, so this is what I'm connected, and this is the master volume that we have, right? And if you want, then we can basically reset whatever we have changed it, right? So these all are the options in the sound section. So if you want to play, so basically you can play from here, right? So sometimes the use case is that I want to have a microphone different type of different input but different output. So from here you can basically easily change that, right? So this is how we can change our input and output of the sound devices, right? So that's all guys about the managing sound. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section, we'll try to explain that. And if you have liked the video, then please like it and share with your friends as well, and please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.